Hello everyone, this is Aleli. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to pack an order of my BTS X Mediheal Postcards. So the order that I received is for, so for my number 23, 24, and 26. Okay. So they are for my Jimin's and 1V. Okay, let's go ahead and start packing. So first we need to sanitize the whole place, wait until it dries up. My desk is completely or acceptably dry already, so that's great. So what we need to do is to put my postcards inside a sleeve. So this sleeve I just made by myself. So it's kind of a PVC kind of plastic. It's very thick, and usually if you're going to put like a photo card or anything inside a PVC plastic, that is not ideal, but we have to take consideration that it's not going to be that long that it will stay in this plastic, because shipping usually is about 3 days here in the Philippines, so that will be fine. And on top of that, we are going to be adding some parchment paper in between, so that they'll still be separated. And now I'll just put them inside the sleeve. Yeah. Okay. Usually I add like a cardboard like this in a package, but since it's 3 pieces of paper or cardboard, so it's kind of thick, so no need for this. Next, we're just going to add in some freebies. Okay. Okay, so let me just take out my BTS stuff from these boxes. So I'll either use them as decorations on my envelope or packaging, or I will put them as the main freebies. I would this one, and okay, and this other sticker. Yeah, this one and this one. Okay, so don't worry, because we have the paper in front of Jimin, so there's no way that they're going to stuck into each other or onto each other. Okay, yeah, what else? I guess, yep, I think that should be it. Okay, I'll add this one. Okay, alright, I think that will be all. Okay, so we'll just have to put them inside their envelope. I'm also going to add this bookmark in the package. So usually I write my thank you note on the bookmark, so it's multi-purpose. Okay, yeah, so there you go. I'll just put it like this, and now we are just going to put it in its envelope. Okay, where is it? Alright, here is my envelope. So I just stick on my logo on the bottom right corner, and then I also add a cardboard inside my envelope to prevent it from bending or any damage. And we're just going to put the sleeve inside. Hopefully it will fit. Okay, alright. Okay. Oh no, I think I made the sleeve too big for the envelope. Hopefully it will fit. Okay. Okay, I think it will. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm able to put the package inside the envelope, and now I'll just add this cardboard to make it stronger or more stable. Okay. Oh, okay. So it fits. Yeah, I think it's good. It's fit. Alright, and now we just have to close the envelope. Okay, let's seal this envelope. Okay. I was supposed to use washi tape to seal it, but I don't think washi tapes are strong enough to be able to hold down the flap. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use double-sided tape. Then pull it, okay, until it's flat. Okay, I think that will do. So most probably next time I will make a bigger envelope, because this one's a little bit tight, but I think it's okay. So all I need to do is to just add this stamp, cookie stamp, no, Shopee stamp rather, and I'll just use it as a postal stamp on the envelope. And what else? Okay, and then this mong. Okay, I'll just put it here. There you go. Okay, isn't it a lot cuter? And then I will just write my name, or my store's name, and my customer's name here, so it will look like a real letter. Okay. Okay, already done. So all I need to do is just put it inside the shipping bag. Okay, I also put a heart on the back. Okay, fix it. Okay. Okay, I'll just put it here. I'll also add the order list. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oops, I should. Okay. Yes. Oopsie. Where is the... Okay. Alright. Now I just have to put on my shipping label and we're all good to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye.